Now this is going to be a really good test of the new eyeballs. I got this frequency counter and crystal tester kit quite some time ago, but not being able to focus or see properly, there was little point me trying to build it. It's got 5, basically 7 segments, but 8 if you call the decimal point, LEDs, very, very nicely marked out or silk screened red printed circuit board, the IC in the holder, push button, inductor, only one 3-pin plug socket, but down here you can see there's one here 3-pin and one here 4, so the 4-pin is missing, so I just dug out a strip I have here. Then it comes with a bunch of diodes, lots of 1K resistors, 2 10Ks, 100K, and 3 transistors, the crystal, and a bunch of capacitors. Still need the old eyeglass, and so dig out the old iron for the first time in a long time. You can see it's up to 400 degrees already. The copper shavings cleaning, I prefer those to sponges, because depending on the tip you're using, let's see if I can get mine out of here. Depending on the tip you're using, if you use a wet sponge, it can put little hairline cracks into the tip, which makes it pretty much useless. So ever since they introduced this copper, literally it's just like copper shavings from a milling machine or something, turning machine I mean, and of course a big old chunk of blue tack to hold things down while I solder them. So I think we'll give this thing a shot.